Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking original voice amplifier. It is done by a company called WinBridge and it is modeled M700. I just want to mention one thing, that this is a little bit different type of review that I have not done in the past, but let's see how much we can cover and how we're going to be bringing it to you on the table. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family, and make sure you click the notification icon and select all in order for you to be notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly for you. If you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. Alright, you can see that the box is really nicely designed. It has a lot of marking around. And once we slowly start taking it apart, we take everything out. Here are all the components. It also comes with this user manual for the M700 WinBridge voice amplifier. Now it has a lot of information that we're going to cover in this video. It also comes with a little belt that you can put around you, so this will hang around your belt or also around your chest. It also comes with an auxiliary wire, so that way you can connect this to different devices if you wish without using the Bluetooth. It also comes with a charging wire, which is USB 2.0, go into a micro USB connector. It also comes with a little charging station, so you can put this on electricity. It is created for Canada and United States. It goes to a USB 2.0 connector. There is a little logo underneath of it for the USB, but I want to mention that this is 5 volt 1 amp, so you cannot use this for charging. It also comes with this headset. Now you can see that this part is really nice, so it sits on your head and it's not going to be on your ear. And this part will be a nice mic. It has a nice boom to it too, and it has a nice cover to it. And the other side also is nice enough to sit on your head without bothering your head that much. Now going to the other side of it, you do have a little wire that will connect to the actual amplifier, so that way when you talk and to the mic itself, it will broadcast properly. And this is about 1 meter long. And here is the big part. So the actual amplifier is sitting inside of a plastic, which makes a lot of noise. But here we go. This is how it really looks. I really like it. From the front, as you can see, it has the actual speaker. There is some buttons in the front that we will cover in a few seconds. There is a little LED indicator. Once you turn it on, it will show you your percentage, your stations, everything's going to be in the front. Now going on one side of it, it does leave a lot of fingerprint residue. You got to keep cleaning it in order to be nice. There you go. So it has the mic. Then you have the input for your auxiliary. You also have your headset jack, and then the charging part, which is 5 volt 1 amp. Now going to the bottom, it has little parts. So when you put it on the floor, it is, or on the ground or on your table, it is not going to move. Going on the other side of it, you have the USB connection, so you can charge your phones. Also, you have the turn it on and off, and you do have a little micro SD card slot, which can read up to 32 gigabyte. Now going on the top, which is upside down, it is like this. You have the numbers, so this way you can put your stations for FM, and that way you can favorite them. And once you go to the back part of it, you have a big belt clip, so that way you can put it on your belt when you're walking around, and also have the little part, so you can put that little extension that you're going to put around you. And it does have some information in the back, just in case if you misplace this. It will tell you that you need to charge it up for 5 volt 1 amp, and also will tell you who made it and more. Now going to the top part, I don't want to forget this part. This little part is the actual antenna. So this way, if you are going to listen to some FM radio and it is not going to give you a clear voice, you can bring this up and it will help you out to listen to your radio. So first thing is to turn it on. There you go. And now if you
FM mode.
Perfect. So it automatically just goes through to scan and get the nearest number. And if you press, you can see that it already knows which one it is. These are not set up, so you can set it up And did you see that? If I hold a few seconds, it will automatically go and check for the nearest number that is really local to you so you can play. And there you go. It went to the next one. Now if you want to scan again, you have to hold it for a few seconds, and then it will start running again, goes through the stations to find you the next one. Also, you can press this memory button to change it, and this right now shows how much percent of the battery is charged. So it is fully 100. Now if I press it a few seconds, now it goes to Bluetooth. So now I can pair it to my phone or anything like that. This will really help. Alright, so let's pair this. So first thing, we have to make sure that we are...
Bluetooth is waiting for a connection.
There you go. Now we're going to be able to just click it off and on the Bluetooth itself in order for it to get it paired. So there's the M700, shows up right away. We just click on it, takes a couple of seconds.
Bluetooth is connected.
That's it. Now we will go out and then we try to play something. There you go. So now we were able to control the volume. That's how easy it is to play a song directly to your speaker. So that's not only going to work for one thing, but actual more stuff that you can play with. Now that's not the only thing. We will test the actual mic to see how loud it is and how it will get us connected. So first of all, I wanted to mention that this is my voice directly to the actual camera. And now when I connect this, you can hear me really loud and clear, that how much it will also bring in some little distortions to the sound itself. And also it's going to show you when I breathe, it also going to pick that up. And there are some parts that will creak when I talk to it. So this is how it's going to be, the difference. This is really good if you have a mask on, or when you go into a lecture and you want to talk a little bit louder. This will really help you out, but not for something different. What I really like is when I move it around, you can hear that the sound itself is moving around. Now remember that I'm picturing this and also going to pick this voice up directly from the mic here, but I'm talking to this, and this is how it is going to be tested. Now another cool feature that we found was there's a USB connection right here. So I'm going to connect my phone in order to see if it is going to grab the charge. Now when I press the part, it is charging. So once you connect it, it will start charging it for you. But I have to mention that this is not a fast charger, so it is a slow charge. It will take a little bit for you to charge, but again, for emergency cases, this is perfect. Now, when you are going to play a song or a radio station and you feel that it is not in a best quality, there is a little antenna. If you pick that up, that will help you out. Or if you want to change your station very easily, you just have to hold this for a couple of seconds, and now it will scan to find another one.
Yeah, it's a really big difference.
There you go. See, this is much better than you not having the antenna up. Now you can hear it that there is a little...
Provinces beating out the Netherlands, Denmark, the UK, France, Japan.
So now if you bring it up again, now it's going to be nice and clear.
In the mid-90s, Quebec went from having...
So there is little things that you can do in order to fix that. Now I'm going to memory number 1, and it directly goes back to the default. If I go to memory number 9, now I haven't set up any of the stations. It just goes by itself and it finds it and then it will play. But in order, you see, when you move it, that's how the FM radio works. Now this amplifier has everything jam-packed all together. I'm very thankful of the WinBridge bringing this for us and making us happy with one of these. Again, they have different models out there, and they did send me a little brochure that talks about them, but I'm very thankful to have this one on hand because it is going to help me out when I go camping for regular listening to music, or I want to listen it through my phone or tablet, I can pair it and I can listen. Also, they have the little auxiliary wire that you can connect so you don't have to use Bluetooth and more. Except that all the links will be available where you can order it from at the bottom of this video. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.